Hi friends, welcome back to my physics channel once again. In this short video, we will be learning about in friction chapter, first year intermediate. Very important while doing numericals in MSET and NEET. Board में చూడండి, a block is having a mass m resting on the ground surface. చూడండి. A block of mass m resting on the ground surface. Now what are the forces acting on this body? First one is weight, its own weight. W is equal to mg, acting downward direction. G is acceleration due to gravity 9.8, and this is the frictional force, I mean static frictional force. That means when the body is at rest, that force will be acting static. Tarvata upward force, that is normal reaction, will be acting. Okay, the body normal force will be acting in upward direction. అయితే now we will be able to define what is angle of friction phi. Angle of friction phi ఎలా డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం చూడండి. This is static frictional force, this is normal force, upward force. So this is the resultant of these two forces. అర్థమవుతుందా? So the resultant of static frictional force and normal force making some angle with the normal force. Okay na? The resultant of static frictional force and normal force making some angle phi with the normal force is called as angle of friction. అర్థమవుతుందా? And these are very important in 2 marks question. అర్థమవుతుంది మీకు పాయింట్. In the same fashion, suppose if you draw a inclined plane. Suppose this is an inclined plane making an angle theta. Same block is resting here with a mass m. So this is the weight acting downward direction, W is equal to mg, and these are the components. Okay, normal force, and these are the components mg cos theta and mg sin theta. Okay, so ఈ కేసులో ఏమవుతుంది, విల్ డిఫైన్ వాట్ ఈస్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిపోజ్. యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిపోజ్ అంటే థీటా, దిస్ థీటా. అంటే నౌ హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ mg sin theta is balanced by static frictional force when it is at rest. అలాగే నార్మల్ ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ బై mg cos theta, vertical force. సో ఈ రెండు మీరు చేసినట్టుగా అయితే మీకు tan డివైడ్ చేయండి. tan theta is equal to fs by n. ఓకే, లేదా tan theta is what is fs? mu s into n. So mu s by n cancel. So theta is equal to tan inverse mu s, where mu s is the coefficient of friction, static friction. Okay na? So this is the angle of repose, and the angle for which the body just begin to slide on the surface of another body is called as angle of repose.